Have you ever wondered what controls the world around you? Why does a ball fall down? Why does light travel in straight lines? Welcome to physics, the science that explains the entire universe. What is physics? Physics is the branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy and the relationship between them. It helps us understand how things move, how forces act, how energy is transferred, and even how the universe began. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, like a football, a chair, or even the air around us. Energy is what makes things move, heat up, glow, or change, like the electricity powering your lights. Physics is the foundation of all natural sciences. Without it, there would be no computers, no airplanes, and no space travel. What are the branches of physics? Physics is a very broad subject. To study it easily, it is divided into different branches. Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of motion, its causes, and the effects of forces on bodies. For example, how a football flies through the air, or how a car moves on the road. Heat and thermodynamics deals with the nature of heat, modes of heat transfer, and the effects of heat. It explains why ice melts or why engines heat up when running. Waves and oscillations study the behavior of waves, such as sound waves and water waves, like when you hear an echo in a large hall. Optics deals with the study of light and the phenomena associated with it, like using a mirror or a magnifying glass to focus light. Electromagnetism deals with charges at rest and charges in motion and their effects, like how magnets attract iron or how electricity flows in a wire. Modern physics deals with the behavior of matter and energy under extreme conditions, especially at atomic and subatomic levels, like the reactions happening inside stars and atoms. What are physical quantities? In physics, scientists measure things precisely. They don't just guess if something is big or small. They use measurements called physical quantities. A physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured and expressed by numbers along with units. Let's explore some examples. Length measured in meters, mass measured in kilograms, time measured in seconds, and temperature measured in kelvins. What are non-physical quantities? Non-physical quantities are things that cannot be measured with numbers or units. Examples include happiness, bravery, sadness, or anger. You cannot say someone's happiness is 5 meters or 3 kilograms. Let's explore physics in real world. Physics isn't just something in books, it's happening all around you. When you ride a bicycle, you are using mechanics. When you cook food, you are using thermodynamics. When you hear music, you are experiencing sound waves. When you turn on lights, you are using electromagnetism. When you use a camera, you are using optics. When hospitals use X-rays, they apply modern physics. Physics is like the invisible superhero behind everyday life. Here are some simple experiments. Take 2 fruits, an apple and an orange. Use a kitchen scale to weigh them. Mass of apple is 0.15 kilograms. Mass of orange is 0.18 kilograms. You just measured a physical quantity, mass. Now, use a ruler or measuring tape. Measure the length of your school bag. Length of bag equals 45 centimeters. Number plus unit equals a physical quantity. Physics helps you understand, explore, and even change the world. By learning these basics, you are starting an incredible journey. Stay curious, ask questions, and remember, the universe is waiting for you to discover it.